So I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube thumbnail on Canva. It's very simple, very easy to do, nothing complex. It's straightforward. You just have to go to the create over here. Then you come over to these options over here. You click on social media. Then you can see the different options of social media. Then click on YouTube. So when you click on YouTube, it gives you the different design ratios of YouTube. You have the YouTube thumbnail, YouTube banner, YouTube profile picture, YouTube videos, and so on. But we are trying to create a YouTube thumbnail. Then you select the option of the YouTube thumbnail. When you select the option, it takes you to a new page of Canva whereby you have the dimensions for YouTube thumbnail. So you can either create from scratch or you use any of the templates that Canva has. There are different templates you can choose. There are paid and free versions, anyone. So take for example, let me choose this. This free. So you can tweak it to whatever you want. You can change the word written here. This what is here is film. Let me write king. You have king written here. Even the picture, if you want to change the picture, you can easily change the picture just or resize the picture. You can easily resize it or reposition it, stuff like that. You can see. Okay, very easy. Just play around with it and definitely you get. So that's how to create a YouTube thumbnail. Very easy, very simple to do. Thank you.